Dubai. This is Salmane and this is a day of my life. How are you? Well, first thing we come to handle the base. We with the jet skis, we start to put petrol. We check the engines if all is working very well, and then we start to check our booking today. How many booking? We will start to receive the customers one by one, and handle each customer to receive the passports, to check the amount if they pay or not, and then we will start with the customer from here. For 30 minutes, normally we go to Burj Al Arab. We will stop there to start to take some pictures for the customer. After we finish, we reach to Atlantis there. We stop also to take some pictures and videos, and when we finish, we start to go back. Most important thing, we make them enjoy and safe on the same time. Everyone, how are you?
Everything is good?
Yeah, do jet ski half an hour. Do jet ski half an hour. The last trip at 5:10.
Jetski instructor, take the guest outside to guide them. There are some places that are not being allowed to go inside, so we guide them outside. We can take them some pictures, videos. So that is like also a compliment for the jet ski tour. So we guide them for them to keep very big distance for their safety and security. I'm in Jetset Dubai for 3 years now, so I enjoy being in Jetset. So the job is like fun.
Normally on Dubai, we can pray during on the work. Jetset Dubai is a tourism agency. Can do desert safari, can pay by card and by Bitcoin. Cash as well, sure. So this is a day of my life as a jet ski monitor. Subscribe and follow us.